I'll be talking about a very important topic: safety in homes. I'll be focusing on electrical safety. But before I go on, I want to let everyone know that COVID-19 is real and we need to follow all the precautions to avoid spreading the virus and also to stay safe. Very important. One, we should wash our hands with soap, and when washing our hands, we should allow the water to flow, not to allow the water to be contained inside anywhere. And secondly, we can use sanitizer to sanitize our hands. If there is need for us to go out, we should avoid crowded places and also maintain social distancing. Social distancing means staying some gap away from another person, taking note of up to 1.5 meters away from another person, so that even if the virus fall from anyone that is sneezing or coughing, it will not get to you. And again, we should, as much as possible, observe other preventive precautions concerning this COVID-19 by coughing in an handkerchief or in a tissue paper, covering our nose while coughing, and then dispose such immediately. And most importantly, we should stay at home if there is no reason for us to go out, for safety of our life and to prevent spreading the virus into other communities. Now, for the topic of today, I will be talking about lightning storm, lightning strike that causes damages to electronics in our homes, in the offices, in the various installations, in companies and every other area and buildings. So I'll be talking on direct and indirect lightning surge attacks. The direct surge attack is the one that most people try as much as possible to prevent by installing their overhead pointer conductor that is linked to the copper tape that goes to the head to discharge high voltage surge when there is any lightning. That is the one most homes have, companies, buildings have. But this indirect surge comes to a nearby ground or comes in through the overhead transmission line, and when it goes into through the panels and the switchboard goes into the system, it causes damage to electronics, computers, causes damage to television, causes damage to all the connected equipment that are electronics devices. These damages, for the effect of the damages to be taken care of, there is so much loss that the affected equipment and devices need to be replaced, and even the circuitry is affected, especially in the direct surge strike that causes fire and causes so much damage. So these two forms of surge attack, over voltage surge attack, needs to be taken care of in the preventive way to avoid losses. The indirect surge attack has a device that is used for the prevention. This device is called surge protector device, and is also called TVSS, transient voltage surge suppressor, which is connected inside the panel, connected in parallel to the power supply, and it takes care of the surge, the power surge, and diverts it to the ground. to safeguard electronic equipment, computers, and all the connected electronic devices. And these save cost and save damages caused by this lightning storm. So for contact, my name is Engineer Femi Johnson. I'm doing this video from Nigeria, and my phone number is 080-334-22045. I'm a registered practicing Quran engineer, electrical engineer in Nigeria. So you can contact me via my phone and via my email, femlek2001@yahoo.com. Femlek is spelled FEMLEK 2001@yahoo.com. Once again, COVID-19 is real. Please, let's stay safe. Most importantly, let's stay at home and let's observe all the precautions for us to avoid spreading the virus and for us to stay safe. And I also pray that we should all ask for God's mercy on the various nations of the earth, for God to have mercy on us and to forgive us our sins and heal our land, so that COVID-19 can go back to wherever it comes from, and the death and the destruction will end and we live a normal life again. Please don't forget, for contact, for consultancy, and for advice, call my number and my email. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.